Hello, I have a Daiso, IKEA, and a little bit of an eBay thing to show you. We went to IKEA. It's way south of town, so it's a trip to go there. And then we went went to Jollibee. Jollibee had Spam sliders and went to Daiso. Jollibee was crazy crowded. Wow.
So was IKEA.
IKEA wasn't as bad as Jollibee. Jollibee was awful. And this Daiso down there, not so good. I didn't get very much, but I'll show you what I got. This is new. Fizzy high chews. I guess it's orange and, oh, here it is, cola and orange. I think you'll probably like them. And then he got these sours too.
Yes.
He likes it. And I got some paper to use for my silhouette machine. It's just origami paper. It says it has gold and silver. I kind of wanted some gold to do some little logos, so I'll see what kind of gold it is. Oh, then I'll just open it and look. Since I'm here, there's gold and there's gold, you know. Let's see what I got here. Oh, that's good. Okay, yeah, I can use that. There's the silver. These I can use just for when I'm testing stuff. Oh, yeah, they're kind of thin, but that's all right. Okay, so that was $1.50. And I got a tape measure to put on my purse because I'm always in the junk stores. And I'm usually looking for something a certain size. I have to borrow. Mr. Lizretros has one on his keychain, but this one. Oh, cool. Okay. Nice. All right. That'll work. And then I got one of their glue runners to see if it's. I used up one of my glue things already. Wow. But it's pretty neat. It is really neat, this glue. So we'll see if this is any good. Double side, yeah, same thing. So that's what I got at the Daiso. Then I went to IKEA. I got a bag of candy. It's almost all gone. They have these cool bar where you can fill up this bag with chewies, gummies, and left.
Yeah. Some of them, a lot of them are gone. Liz ate them.
Yes, I ate them all. These are good. And then he got these
tennis shoes.
Gummy tennis shoes. And then there was something
Coke
else.
bottles.
Oh, there's one left. There's one.
Those are good.
Gummy Coke bottle. Okay, so that was cool. They completely rebuilt our IKEA, so it was very confusing. I guess it's better. I don't know. And let's see. I got pillow forms. These are only $3 there. So I needed these. The ones I have on the couch are awful. So I got these, 2 of these, $3 a piece. So that's cool. I mean, they'd be 2 or 3 times that at Joann's, and they're 20 by 20. I have pillow covers coming. Did this. Pillow covers coming for them, so we're all ready. And this, I went there to get a light for this corner over here because I really like having a light there, but I don't want that Christmas one. So I got this one is a cigar shaped one. This is the light part that goes in there. And I don't know how much these are. $5, something.
Oh, I didn't even look.
Not a lot, but this is what you use to hang it.
$7.
And this was only like $7. Oh my God, this isn't the short one, is it?
Oh, you got the wrong one.
Oh, I think I did.
You did.
I got the wrong one. Oh, and I'm not going back.
Yeah, I'm not going back.
No, I'm not going back there ever again. Dang nabbit. Shoot.
Well, hang it anyway.
Oh, yeah,
see what it looks like.
I guess it'll
I'll
be
try it
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be okay. I thought I was getting the long cigar one, which
Yeah.
this was right underneath where the long cigar one was. This will be okay. Because I'm not going back for a long time.
Ever, maybe.
Yeah, ever, maybe, yeah. It's just horrible in there. And you can't find anything. So, that'll work.
You can
It's
find
fine.
the wrong thing.
The other thing would have been cooler, but whatever. I got this Rye Crisp. I like this. I think I'm the only... Well, Baby Retros likes it. My mom likes it. It's just Mr. Retros doesn't like it.
Full of seeds.
Seeds. And I got a couple of their light bulbs. These are 99 cents. These are just LED bulbs for 99 cents. And I got a couple of dish towels. These were 76 cents. You know, I can always use dish towels. You know, I can always put a pattern on these too. They're kind of thin. But, you know, they're thin, but that's okay. They're just dish towels. 76 cents. Yes. Oh. I got 2 of these. Lingonberries. Yay. My mom and I love these. You put it on like chicken or turkey, whatever. So, yay. I'm not going to unwrap the other one. And, oh, the best thing I got, this is really cool. This is a set of 3 lights. I don't know what all this stuff is. Oh, that's the cords, so you could put them in different spots. But you can make them go all different colors. You can pick a color you want it to go on, or you can just have it do fade or strobe. It's really neat. So this was like 20 something. And we took a bunch of pictures of other cool light fixtures which I will
The lighting department.
Yeah, we mainly
cool.
hit the lighting department.
They had a lot of cool stuff.
They did. I couldn't think of a use for most of it, but it was cool. So, actually, I think this one might be better.
I hope so.
I don't know. Dang nabbit. That just figures, doesn't it? Well, that place is such a cacophony that you don't even know what you're grabbing most of the time. So that's what I got in that place. And then I met my friend in the parking lot. He lives down there. And we got these stamp kits to make stamps with our Silhouette machine. And we're going to try this. He got this through the Silhouette site. He's got all this stuff here. It's got blocks. It's got stuff. Because I want to make stamps for my Starburst designs. Let's see. And what else did he give me? He gave me something else. I'll show you this. These are here. Ooh. These are bears that I'm listing for him. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ooh, it's a stiff bear. Oh, these are really nice. Where's the other one? Oh, gosh, he's cute. Ooh. Wow. These are really cute. Okay. Those are nice. And, oh, this is some of the pillow covers that I got off eBay. I got 2 of these. These are for the bedroom. I have a gray coverlet and a gray bedding and a yellow coverlet, kind of a Hollywood Regency thing going. And I got this because it reminds me of the Enid Collins birds paven design that she did on her purses. So I like this. And these were like $3 shipped, I think. Something like that. So yay. And I'm almost finished with my purses. I can't show that naked doll. I'll get in trouble. It's for this doll. But these are the purses that I did. And I could just cut out little logos for them. And then these are just plain gold ones. These are glasses I'm working on. Let's see. I need to use heavier stuff, I think, or layer it, and then see if I can put my stuff in there for sunglasses. And here's thicker. I don't know, I gotta work some more on these, but these are kind of neat. And then they're just, see, they're just cut out with the silhouette machine. And yeah, and then these I cut out. Gucci.
What's that?
Gucci.
Oh.
Gucci. Gucci. So I think that's it. I don't have nothing else to show. Sorry. Except for that.
Except for Jollibee.
Except for Jollibee.
There's another Jollibee down there.
So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.